So this is just gonna be a quick video. Also fucking somewhat pointless probably. But these Kobalt tool sets. I got this thing for like Christmas back when I was a kid, man. This thing's like fucking 15, 20 years old or some shit. And a lot of them have been lost. I will say the socket was a piece of fucking shit. It broke a couple months after I got it. One of my adapters broke, and fucking these were cheap pieces of shit. But I just want to say the sockets themselves, somehow I still have a lot of the original ones that haven't been lost. I fucking don't know where my 7/16 is. And then that right there, the half inch, or no, the 9/16, that's not a Kobalt. That's just another fucking spare that I threw in there, because that one broke. But yeah, the ratchet sucks. The box itself, latches break off and it sucks. But the sockets themselves aren't that bad. So you know, you're trying to get a decent toolkit on the cheap. Kobalt's not a bad way to go. So just figured I'd let you know. Thanks for watching.